Wow, this is such a lovely rangoli.
Thank you so much, yeah. You all look lovely, yeah. And Megha, you have taken my theme pretty seriously.
You look stunning as well.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Thank you so much.
Listen, I'm loving the decor. It's so nice.
Thank you so much. Please make yourselves comfortable. I'm hosting a fabulous Diwali party here for my Fab Curly Tails team. Guys, wait, not without me.
Happy Diwali!
You know what brings people together? Potlucks of food, a great playlist, and of course, this festival of love and light.
Hey Nanika, I'm still hungry. Where are the mains?
Don't worry, I arranged a huge feast. In fact, I have a butler for this party even.
Butler and all, fancy.
Let's go and have the main course. Come on. Have no little. Come on, yeah. Is it not good?
It's amazing. You please have.
I will in a bit. Well, as you know, the success of any party depends on its food. And today I've ordered for this lavish spread from ITC Hotels. Now ITC Hotels bring their dining options to your doorstep via Gourmet Couch, their food home delivery service. It is so convenient. Just browse through the menus and order anything you like, from their famous dal bukhara to raan to their unique cakes, just through their app. Guys, how did you like it? Tell me.
And you know what? For orders above rupees 30,000, you could get a complimentary butler service too. Pampering at its finest.
Look guys, what I have for dessert for you all. This is one-of-a-kind cake from ITC Hotel's latest limited edition. What are you waiting for? Dig in. Guys, enjoying your cake?
Yes.
Now let's go play some games. No Diwali party is ever complete without games, yeah. Let's go. Time for Tambola.
My favorite.
What, you cheating already, huh? Yeah, I got 90. Yes.
69.
I won.
No, yeah.
Well, Nayanika, the party was lit. Thank you so much for having us over.
Thank you all for coming. I'm so glad that you guys liked it. But before you guys dash out, I have a little something for you. Let me get it. Guys.
Oh my god, a hamper. Wow. It's a huge hamper, dude.
I know, right?
Listen, I hope it's not Son Papdi.
Yeah, that's what we've been eating and passing it on to our friends.
Well, this is one of those hampers that you would never want to part with. This luxurious gift hamper is the Deepavali festive curations by ITC Hotels, which includes handcrafted, uniquely flavored, contemporary and traditional mithai curated specially by the chefs at ITC Hotels. You know, this premium hamper has some delicious festive cakes, jar treats, fudge, brownies, premium Fabel chocolates and much more.
Is there anything for a health freak like me in this hamper?
Yes, Rishi, of course. For people like you who are always diet conscious, there is a nice assortment of dry fruits and nuts in the hamper.
Yeah, go on. I want to see what's inside. Open it. Wow. This is so nice.
For me, gifting is a love language. You too can make this Diwali special for your loved ones by gifting these grand hampers from ITC Hotels official app. This Diwali, order from Gourmet Couch by ITC Hotels and sit back and enjoy the festival with your loved one. And before I go, wishing you and your loved ones a very happy Diwali from Curly Tails and ITC Hotels team. This is Nayanika Singhal from Curly Tails signing off.